How to fix Google Chrome error ERR connection reset in Windows 10 or 11. If you want to fix Google Chrome error ERR connection reset in your Windows 10 or 11, then first you need to open up your control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with network and sharing. Then you just need to simply go with change adapter settings. And here, if you're using Ethernet, you need to go with it. But in my case, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll click on Wi-Fi. Here you need to right click on it and then go with properties. Under properties, you will have Internet Protocol version 4, and then again click on properties, and here you need to select use the following DNS server address, and you need to enter 8.8.8.8, and on the alternate DNS address you can go with 8.8.4.4 and click on OK, and once you've set this, it will fix your Google Chrome error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.